Hi there, welcome to this brief introduction to CNC machining, and today I'm going to show you what CNC machining is all about. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control. It's a manufacturing process that uses computer-controlled machines to remove materials from workpieces to create precise parts. The process starts with the digital design of the part that is later translated to instructions or code that the machine uses to guide its movements. There are various types of CNC machines, each designed for a specific task, including milling, turning, and drilling. CNC machines can work on a variety of materials, for example metals, plastics, and wood. One of the key advantages of CNC machining is precision and repeatability. CNC machine can produce parts with tight tolerances, ensuring consistent accuracy and quality. CNC machining allows for the creation of a variety of parts from simple to highly complex. They're used in many industries including medical, automotives, aerospace, and electronics to create parts for a variety of applications. Programming the CNC machine requires expertise in computer-aided design and computer-aided manufacturing softwares. The operator inputs design specifications and adjusts machine settings as required. Once the CNC machine is set up, it works autonomously, cutting, drilling, and shaping the workpiece according to the design instructions. The process can be fast and efficient, saving time and labor in comparison to other machining methods. After machining is complete, the finished part is carefully inspected for quality to make sure that design specifications are met. Adjustments can be made in the CAD/CAM software for future runs. CNC machining plays a crucial role in modern manufacturing, allowing for the precise and efficient production of the everyday parts we use today. And that's a brief overview to CNC machining. I hope you found it informative, and thank you for watching.